We're gonna do a nail trimming video. This is Jupiter. He was rescued from a vineyard, never lived in a house, never had his nails done, and never's been video recorded either. So it's important to make this first experience positive because he's gonna need his nails clipped every month for the rest of his life. So if he hates it or is scared of it, it's not very nice for him. So I'm gonna just start with a treat. Make sure he likes it. Yum. You like it? You gonna eat that? Okay. And he has clear nails, so I can see the quick. So I'm gonna start with trimming. I wish I had 3 hands. Good boy. Hi, buddy. Boy. Good boy. Good boy. I'm gonna do claws. You do have dew claws. I'm gonna do the dew claws with the Dremel because I can't see the black. Oh, and this one's broken off. And that one I'll Dremel because the last thing I want to do is hit the quick. And he'd really hate his nails being clipped. Good boy, and he clearly doesn't care. What is that? Oh, it's that? No good. Arr, 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 arr. What is that? You can smell it? Yum yum. And he's actually not biting at all. So he's either a rock star or this method really works awesome. Hey, buddy. What's up? Hey, what's up? Oh, what's up? Beautiful. That was awesome. We're all done. Do the back ones later. Okay, go. Go play. Ugh. Go play. Go eat that and go do dog stuff.